The second division of subkingdom cryptogams is Bryophyta. Bryophyta again contains plants which can grow in water, and they also need soil for it. So this group of plants which belong to Bryophyta, the plants which belong to division Bryophyta, they are called as amphibian plants. Why? Because they grow in moist soil. They will grow in soil, but when they have to reproduce, they need water. So they can live. When they are growing throughout their lifetime, they need soil as well as water. So they are called as amphibians plants, Bryophyta plants. We will see the structure of these plants. The plants of Bryophyta division are thalloid. They are multicellular and autotrophic. Autotrophic means green in color. They have chlorophyll, can make their own food. Thalloid means what? Thalloid means elongated structures. The body structure will be elongated, thalloid like. It is called as thalloid like. Flat, little flat, ribbon like, elongated. That kind of structure is called as thalloid. And they are multicellular, means made up of many cells. These Bryophyta, division Bryophyta, belongs to cryptogam. That means these plants do not produce fruit, flower or seeds. So how they reproduce? They reproduce by spore formation. They produce spore, and these spores germinate to make new plant. The structure of plant's body, if we see the plant body, then it is ribbon like, long, flat. It do not have true root, stem or leaves. Means we will not see any structure which will look like a stem, something which will look like a leaf or root. So it is called without true. Then what they have stem. It doesn't mean that they do not have stem or roots. They have, but their stem is like leaf structure. The stem is like something which will give support, but it will not look like proper stem. They will have leaf, but it will be very flat, elongated structure, and roots will be like rhizoids. Rhizoids are small hair-like structure, very small. Here in this picture, I'll show you. Here, the leaf, they have leaves. This is an example of Bryophyta plant. It is called funaria. They have leaf-like structure, but it is not proper leaf. Small, reduced structure. They have roots, which are very small, thread-like structure. They are called as rhizoids. Second example, Markensia. See, leaf-like part. This is leaf-like part, but it is not proper leaf how we see in other plants. And see, rhizoids, roots are like rhizoids are roots. Another important character of Bryophyta plant is they do not have specific tissues for conducting food and water. Means what? These plants are very simple in structure, and they will not have xylem and phloem to carry food and water. Examples of Bryophyta plants are moss. In common language we call it as moss. Scientific name is funaria. Second, Markensia. Next, Anthoceros and Rixia.